What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. 02 Civic. And before we go, I gotta just get ready. To talk about the dealership and what's kind of going on. You know, if you don't know, I work at a used car dealership. It's a family-owned business. It's me, my mom, and my dad. And my brother just recently got fired from his job, so he's working with us too now, which is pretty awesome. Adjustments, but it's literally all family. There's 4 of us now, which is 4 is a party, you know what I'm saying? But it has been very tough these last couple of months. We're about to hit March just a couple days away, and we have not had a whole lot of sales. It is super slow. We are dead in the water. And it's just like every day I keep coming back to work and there's no customers. We don't sell, then how does my dad pay me and all these different things? And now my brother's working with us too, so he has to pay him as well. And the thing is, what we're doing right now is, first, I'm making videos like every single day. You know what I'm saying? My goal is to get monetized. I want to make money that way. Also with the Amazon links, if you guys buy something on Amazon, you're gonna help me out. My older brother is there and he is kind of in charge of quality control. So no joke, he is going back to our inventory, grabbing it, taking it off to the side and start like super cleaning. I mean, super cleaning. He's watching videos on how to do details, and you know, we're gonna have some of the best looking cars on the market. Also, we're gonna be going back and looking at our cars, making sure they all start. So when a customer does come in eventually, you know, our inventory is gonna be up to their standards, up to our standards. So that's what's going on right now. It's slow, but we're trying to take advantage of that slowness to create content, to improve our vehicles physically and mechanically. And it's just kind of been a roller coaster of emotions of things that are going on, because we have had sales. A couple days ago, we just sold a car for a $14K cash. It was a 2014 Toyota Corolla, and I think the lady that bought it, shout out to her, she's awesome. And I think she got into a car accident, so she needed a replacement car. So it looks like people are just buying right now when they need to buy something, not necessarily because they want to buy something right now. I mean, everything going on in the world, it's so like, you just don't know. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I'm downgrading. I got my Highlander. Oh, let me put the sun visor, but I don't like it. Let me close my sunroof too. Sweet. And that's what's going on with my Highlander. Also, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you're feeling. Let me know how you feel about everything, because I am a little bit worried, and that's the biggest reason why I'm downgrading right now. I'm downgrading right now because I'd rather have money right now than have a nice car. That's why I'm selling my Acura TSX, and I'm going to a Toyota Highlander, which I gotta tell you, I love the Highlander. I just spent over 8 hours in all mechanical on that car in the garage. I had it for 2 days, did full service, motor, transmission, spark plugs, fixing leaks, and just tires, brakes, everything that car needs to be on the road safely. And we're actually planning on a trip to go to the snow this Sunday, so that's gonna be freaking awesome. But I gotta get the Highlander ready, so those videos are coming up. But it's just been so slow at the dealer, and we haven't sold much, but we have purchased a lot of cars. A new Ford Mustang that we're gonna be posting up, and hopefully I get to drive pretty soon. The Infinity, the white one, is pretty new. We've only had it up for like a week or two. A lot of people interested in my Chevy Silverado. Well, not my Chevy Silverado, but some cars, I call them mine, but they're not really mine. Like, for example, this one right here, I purchased this one at the auction, so I'm like, this is mine, you know. And my dad gave me full liberty. The owner of the dealership, my dad, gave me full liberty to work on it, do whatever I wanted to it, and then fix it up and then put it for sale. So I'm actually driving it, and I've been driving this thing for a whole month, and it is super awesome, super reliable. And I can't wait to pass this car on, because it gets such good gas mileage. I don't want to get rid of this car because it gets such good gas mileage. I've had it for a month and maybe 2 weeks, and I've only put gas in it, I think, 3 times. I just recently filled it up, and man, oh man, this thing just runs. But it sucks. Every single time I go to the gas station, the gas has literally gone up in price. And I'm just like, oh, for real? Like, $40 just doesn't get you. The first time I pumped, I gave him $40 and I got like $5 back. The second time I gave him $40 again, and they gave me $2 back. And this time I put 40 and it did not fill it all the way. So gas is going up, everything is skyrocketing right now, and I'm doing my best to do a lot of the work in-house, you know, mechanical and detail wise, and to try and manage all these different things, because right now with my brother, I'm telling you, he's keeping our inventory clean. But what's going on is like, he's like, hey bro, we're out of microfibers. So I ordered them on Amazon. He says, hey bro, we're out of tire shine. I ordered on Amazon. He says, hey bro, I'm out of soap. So he's making me work a lot more, and that's also very good. We haven't had a lot of customers at the dealership, but we've been super busy non-stop. We got that new Mustang, so did a full service on it, tires, brake pads, everything. We took the seats out and got them redone, reupholstered. Also the Highlander, I mean, 8 hours of work, just work. And I've only been doing that one, you know, when my parents leave. When the dealer closes, that's when I start working on that vehicle. Other than that, I'm running around, you know, between cleaning cars and buying cars and talking to customers and doing everything online. I've been posting one vehicle every single day on Facebook Marketplace, because that's Facebook's guidelines. You got to read the guidelines. You don't want to, you know, step over anyone's toes, because then things start getting a little weird. Right? And man, today's just a beautiful day, but it is getting a little colder, and that's the reason. And it did rain a couple days ago, and that's the reason why we're gonna go to the mountains, and I cannot wait. It's gonna be so much fun. Last week, I'm pretty sure we got like 4 or 5 new cars. Talked to a bunch of people about making deals. Some went through, some fell through. But my Chevy, or the Chevy Silverado, the green truck, the monster, she's doing great on the market. I just posted her last night. I got like 4 or 5 messages. So that is a really good thing. I think people have money, but I don't think people want to spend big amounts of money right now. And me and my dad have been talking. We've been talking all day, all morning about the market and what's happening, how it's gonna happen. And you know, my dad's like, maybe this is a good time to buy a house. So that's why I chose to sell my TSX. TSX is for sale, guys, and decided on buying a Highlander because I got the Highlander so cheap for $25, and I'm gonna sell the TSX hopefully for like at least $8,000. But I gotta do it now. I gotta do it during this time, during tax season, when people have the cash, because if I wait too long, then I'm not gonna be able to, oh, hold on. If I wait too long, then I'm not gonna be able to get the money I want for it either. Oh, this guy's trying to switch in. A bit of space. Sorry, guy. So even though I'm driving and I got a camera strapped to my head, you still gotta pay attention to everything around you, everything that's going on. And when I have this camera on my head, I'm even more careful. So that's the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, check out some of my DIY videos, because I'm going to be doing giveaways. That's something I want to start doing, giving back to the community. I'm new to it, so have some patience with me. Go on my radiator video, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's blow that video up. It's a DIY. I want to keep doing DIYs because I'm always doing a bunch of things, and I actually fixed the Highlander for free. Woo, for free. So stick around, like, comment, subscribe. It's only gonna help me out, and if you guys like the channel, you're gonna support the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.